Hi, I'm Melissa with OnlineLabels.com, and today I'm going to show you how to decide if you should buy blank or custom labels. At OnlineLabels.com, we offer a wide selection of products to fit any labeling need. Depending on your project, you may want blank label sheets or rolls that you can print at home, or custom labels that can be delivered to you ready to apply. In this video, we will cover a few different aspects to consider when deciding which is best for you. First, let's talk about the difference between blank and custom printed labels. Blank labels are sheets or rolls of unprinted labels that you can print yourself using home and office printers like laser, inkjet, or thermal printers. Custom labels is a service we offer where you can choose your label, submit your design, and our team prints it for you so your labels arrive ready to stick. When determining what route is best for your business, you should consider the requirements of your project or job, your budget, and your time. The most important things to consider when deciding between blank or custom labels are the labels that you are going to need and what you plan to print on them. While we offer a wide selection of materials and sizes for custom labels, we are able to offer even more for blank labels. Our blank label selection includes materials like pastels, fluorescents, and metallics, and unique shapes and sizes like CD labels, lip balm labels, and soap band labels. Our custom label selection includes our most frequently used materials, including white, clear, weatherproof, and brown craft, and most of the sizes of our common label shapes. If your project only needs a limited amount of unique label designs, or you need a lot of labels of the same exact design, custom labels is a great option that can save you time and help your business run smoothly. If your project requires a lot of variations between label designs, for example, using labels for personalized products, you may want to have some blank labels on hand. The next thing to consider is your budget and expenses. Blank labels are going to be cheaper than custom labels up front, but you will have to print them using your own ink or toner. Depending on how much you print, custom labels can be a more economical choice and reduce waste. You can try calculating your cost per print and comparing that to the cost of purchasing custom labels. If you are only printing a small amount of labels right now, you may want to stick with blank labels until you start to scale up. Finally, consider how much time you spend printing your labels. If your business is starting to grow and you're finding most of your time occupied in front of the printer, custom labels could help improve your overall efficiency. No matter which option you choose, OnlineLabels.com has a labeling option for your project. Visit OnlineLabels.com today to see our selection of blank labels or get started on your order of custom labels.